we get from this reaction is some oxygen that we breathe so we don't die, and some nice sugar numminess for plants so they cannot die too. Photosynthesis goes through two stages, photosystem 2 and photosystem 1 might be a bit confusing because photosystem 2 goes before photosystem 1. And that's what's confusing about plants. It's all this sunlight and separates it up, and energized electrons enter the chain of transport that goes through the membrane. These are split and oxygen is released as waste. Thank the plants. That's why you're alive. Hydrogen ions are transported across the thylakoid membrane, which is pretty much just the membrane of the chloroplast where photosynthesis takes place in the plant cell, in a plant. System 2, the goodness that is made from that is called NADPH. I think. There's a lot of letters in that. It is transferred to light-independent reactions, which means it happens whether light is part of it or not. So plants can still make your oxygen when you're asleep, so you don't die in your sleep. It comes back up, it shines down on these plants, and you get a light-dependent reaction where you make ATP, also known as energy. Energy, not, yeah, pretty simple, right? ATP energy. Oh, we took like little stacked green pancakes, yum. They take the CO2 in the air that you're breathing out, so the plants can thank you now, and they use it in these light-independent reactions while the sun is down. Gathers together, you get this thing called glucose, which is just sugar, which is just energy, and we eat the sugar in these plants, or the cows eat the sugar in these plants, and then we eat the cows. We're all vegans. Any questions? Yes, Logan.
How is photosynthesis?
What do you mean? How is photosynthesis?
How isn't photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis is a cellular production of glucose.
Two.
What? Are there any questions that are related to the cell production of photosynthesis?
Question. What is 6?
The number between 5 and 7, and has nothing to do with photosystem. Questions related to photosynthesis.
I need a paper clip. Am I gonna die?
Could possibly kill you and puncture an intestine.
So, like, where's the nearest hospital at?
Votal.
This may seem like a dumb question, but
There's no such thing as a dumb question, okay, class?
May seem like a dumb question, but
There are no such thing as stupid questions, just the ones that remain unasked.
does photosystem 1 come before photosystem 2?
Wow. You have proved me wrong, Ashlyn. There is such a thing as a dumb question. Of course, photosystem 2 becomes before photosystem 1.
It's all good, guys. It was a binder clip, not a paper clip.
it's still lethal. Well, how do we make sure for that? Look through the videos and make sure we have everything, Ashlyn.
That'd be easier to get. We'll look through them on here.
Okay, whatever works. Whatever floats your boat.
That'd be air.
Hey, do you know on Fuller House of if I eat a paper...
There are no such thing as stupid questions. I did not use proper grammar.
There is...
Never have I ever heard a stupid question, and I never will hear one.